Bad Rabbit.
Hey everyone, I'm Shiloh from the Bad Rabbit Homestead. Today I'm going to show you how I make fire cider. Fire cider is supposed to be really good for your health. It's supposed to boost your immune system and has anti-inflammatory properties. And to me, it just tastes good. So even if you don't buy into the hype, I make it just because I like the taste. I like adding it to salad dressings. I like adding it to Bloody Marys. So here's what you'll need. First off, you'll need a fermentation vessel. This is a half-gallon, just regular ball mason jar. Of course, it'll need to be clean. And then you'll need apple cider vinegar with the mother. But you know, this is $21 for this gallon now. My wallet cried when I bought this. And then we have cayenne pepper, horseradish, ginger, turmeric, the zest and juice of 2 lemons, about a half a tablespoon of whole peppercorns, garlic, rosemary, sage, and lemon balm. All are optional. You can just do the rosemary or whatever you have on hand. I've never actually done it with the lemon balm, but I decided since I had it, I might as well try it. And then you'll want some onion. I did 1 medium red onion. I don't really care for onion that much, so I kept it kind of lower, and I prefer red onion to other onions. So if you like onion, you can increase it to even maybe 2 medium-sized onions, and you can do whatever type of onion you want. I also have the equivalent of 4 jalapenos or whatever garden peppers you have on hand. So I did kind of a mix. So first off, you'll take your jar and you're just gonna pack it. So right now you're just gonna pack your ingredients. You can kind of alternate so that you get an even mixture in there. I'm doing a half a cup of turmeric. Normally you would want to do maybe like a 3-inch root of turmeric, or maybe like 2 tablespoons of powder-ish, give or take, depending on how much you like turmeric. I just started mindlessly grating and just kind of forgot what I was doing, and I thought that I was grating ginger. So I got a lot more of it. I'm just going to use it all. So there it goes. And we'll do some ginger. This is a half a cup of grated ginger. This is a half a cup of horseradish. This might be a lot for you, and it probably is a lot for me, honestly. If you have some sort of thyroid issue, such as hypothyroidism like I do, you may want to reduce or even omit the horseradish, because horseradish is known to slow thyroid function. I'm going to go ahead and put the entire half cup of horseradish in, because I'm not going to be guzzling this, so I don't think it'll hurt me too much. I put in 3 bulbs of garlic that are about this size. I believe that was about 24-ish cloves. Lemon juice. A touch of cayenne, because I have no idea how hot my garden peppers are. This could be brutal, but I kind of like it spicy, so that's fine. Oh, and there's a onion that tried to escape. All right. All that's left is your apple cider vinegar. And you'll top it up. You'll probably want to take a knife or something and kind of poke it down to let the bubbles escape. So this is what I'm using for a weight because I don't know where my weights are. And we'll just push it down, put a lid on top, and finger tighten it. Be sure to mark your date, and you'll want to let this sit for at least 4 weeks, and I usually let mine sit for about 8 weeks. So there you go, that's how you make fire cider. This is Shiloh from Bad Rabbit Homestead. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. After filming, I realized I forgot one kind of important note on this fire cider recipe. I exclude honey. If you want honey, you are more than welcome to put it in. You can do a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup would be my recommendation, but add it to your own taste. I just like it unsweet because it makes it more versatile when it's done. I like salad dressings with no extra sweetener. That's just my preference. You can also sweeten it when it's done. You can bottle some with honey, some without, so just play with it. This fire cider is so versatile. You can work with what you have, you can work towards your tastes, you can omit things, you can add things, so just play with it and have fun.